welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be, you already know, a Ipsy unbagging. So we got our little bag, here. So I already know what it looks like because I opened it. But this is what the bag looks like. It's really cute. It reminds me more of a New Year's vibe. You know, you go into a New Year's party, you can dress up, you have your little a little bag, and you can put like your phone, your money, or whatever, your car keys, or whatever. You're going to a party, you want to take like a whole, you're looking for like a little clutch, or this is more like a little makeup bag. This will be perfect. Me, however, I don't like the way it feels. I don't like the sequins. I love the way the back feels because, again, you already know I like anything that's like, you know, like this type of material, or like it's so easy to clean makeup or whatever you put on it. Mostly I don't really use these for makeup, to be honest. I use them for like girly things, you know, like your pads or tampons or anything type of thing like that I usually put, or just for money. I'm just gonna go to the store real quick, or I feel like, I swear I was playing with my dog. Anyway, something like that. So we're going to go ahead and open this up and take out the little card. But before I do that, I always show you guys the inside of it. It is this really pretty pink, which I feel like it's easy to clean if you have any spills in here. So yeah, so the first thing is be merry, be bright, be bold, be you. This is what the card looks like. They'll usually have like a little theme. So yeah, so that's what the card looks like. And then we're gonna go ahead and take out the first product. The first product I'm gonna take out is this frozen lipstick is what it's called. Hashtag, it says INM heart frozen lipstick. So I don't know if that's the brand. And then it says, oh well, it's from Runway Red. I think that is either the name of the brand or the shade of the lipstick. So you can never go wrong with lipsticks because, one, I love lipstick. I'm a lipstick girl. And two, I love reds. You guys already know you can never have not a red lipstick. But this one, this is what the packaging looks like. Now, this is pretty cute. But what's getting to me is like, what? Okay, first of all, the front of it like is gold, but then you turn it and it is red. That is freaking cool. Like, what? So we're gonna go ahead and swatch this pretty girl, and it is like a red, but I don't know what's up with the gold, but that looks really sick. Like, that's freaking awesome. I think this is a really cool little lipstick, and that is the shade. It looks more like a glossy. Let's see if it really tells me, because it can be like a little bit of satin, but yeah, it's what the color looks like. I think it's really, really nice and pretty. But that lipstick looks really, that looks really awesome. Okay, so I'm gonna put out something else. I just dropped a little thing. So the next thing I got is a brush, and yes, because my brushes are dirty. So what? And then plus, even if they are clean, you can never have enough brushes. Never, girls, boys, never. So this is what it looks like. This is called a Farrah. It has, it says right there, it's this gold and like this little grit right here to hold on so that you can put your shadow. So yeah, I really like this one. That's pretty neat. I love brushes, so let's put that in my little collection. And then next is this little thing called Sugar. I just finished eating too. That's a little bit. And I've never heard of this either. Let's go ahead and pull this out. Or mini bronzer, Contour de Force mini bronzer. I guess it says in number 2, Woody Wonder, but I don't know why. There we go. So this is what the packaging looks like in the inside. That's really cute. And ooh, it has like a little mirror, guys. Oh no, I thought it was a mirror. Never mind. It has this little nice, oh, that's like a really nice color though. I can really work with that on me. Yeah, that's what it is right here. Don't say nothing, but that's really cool. I really like this. So there's that. So then the next product is a facial radiance pads. It helps exfoliate, tone, brighten, alcohol-free, safe for sensitive skin. So these are some little pads it says white pad across face, neck. Okay, so that's pretty cool. I like to have anything like this. So that is really neat. So I'm gonna pull out the next thing, and this is, well, this is cool. It says Finding Ferdinand. That's what it is right there. It looks like this. It says quantity, color skinny dip. It's a blush. That's cool. It checks off what it is. And then it says application for use on cheeks only, made in Taiwan. That is so cool. Taiwan. I like Taiwan. I've always wanted to go visit Taiwan. So I'm wondering, this is like a Asian beauty product, but I do have a little Z palette because this is a blush. This is a very pretty color. That's a very pretty blush. Let's see. You can see it on there. That's really nice. So you can see it on the wrist area. It's like a really nice little. So this I have from MAC, even though one of my eyeshadows broke, which is this one right there. So I can read. I hate when I break an eyeshadow, but I think I have room to put a blush here. Now that one doesn't have a magnet on it for this, so I bought these at Hobby Lobby a long time ago, and normally what I do, they're little circle magnets. So if you have a problem where your little things like that are not sticking to your little Z palette, like if they have special magnets or is not doing it, I peel this off. I put it in the center like that, and then what I do is I do this, and then there we go, it's on there. So that is really cool. So that's how I do my little palettes when I get stuff like that, and they're actually like full size. That's how I do that. These, I think I don't know how many. I've had these for a while, but I get them at Hobby Lobby with the magnet area, and they're coming like a little package. I want to say maybe 2 of them for $2-3, but you can't beat that though, because it comes with several of them. So I use these a lot when the little magnet doesn't want to stick, or it doesn't have a magnet. Okay, so the next thing and the last thing is, this is by Steve Laurent. Now I got some of their shadows before, and this one, it says it's a loose powder. So pretty, like these little, the packaging. Oh my god, this is new. Oh, it's pretty. It's like a gold color, and it says it is a loose powder though. It's antique olive. So I'm thinking it's just a loose powder eyeshadow is basically what it is, because that's not like for your face, obviously. So that is cool. So anyways, that is all that I got on my Ipsy bag. I actually like everything on here. I think this is really cool. I like this. So yeah, that's about it, guys. So don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to slam the subscribe button, ring that bell to know about future videos. And until next time, I will see you guys tomorrow, actually, because Vlogmas, hello, we still have 2 more days. But yeah, that's about it, guys. Bye.